What's going on? It's your boy Bob Can Cut, and right here we're gonna show you the steps to an easy neck taper. Okay, right here we just setting in our first guideline, ball them out. Then we're gonna set in another guideline with our clipper open, about an inch. And to remove this panel, what you want to do is put your clipper halfway, then a quarter, then close to remove this panel. After you get finished with that, you're gonna follow it up with the one guard open. You're gonna set in another guideline, about another inch, running parallel to the one you just set in. After that, you're gonna come back with your half guard all the way open. Then you're gonna go halfway, then close to remove that panel. Make sure it's blended out real good using your corners. That's halfway with the half guard, and then you go closed. That's closed. Blend that panel out. Real simple, easy steps. After you get finished with that, you're gonna throw your two guard on. Look at my two guard. I'm not really trying to set in a guideline. I'm just trying to blend into the bulk. I cut it down to a 1.5. After you get finished with that two guard, you're gonna come back with your 1.5 guard. Here go my 1.5 guard. You're just trying to blend these two panels together. After you finish with your 1.5 guard, you're done with all your steps. Then you throw your one guard back on, just using your corners, and you're gonna blend the two together. On that 1.5 guard, go open, then closed. I'm just blending into that two open. It should leave a little faint line. That's when you come back with your one guard open and blend the two panels together. Right here I got my one guard open, and I'm just using my corners, and just watch the two panels blend together. See that? Just using the corner of my clipper to blend the two panels together. Easy steps to a neck taper. Hope y'all like this little short tutorial. I appreciate you for watching. Just doing a little bit of more detail work with that one guard. Now right there, easy steps to a neck taper.
Felipe S.